Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will share 3 useful tips and tricks you can use in Windows 10 and 11. So let's start. Our first feature you can use if you're facing any kind of issue related with your Wi-Fi or your Bluetooth or your sound. The first thing you could try is run the troubleshooter. I will show you how to use the troubleshooter in Windows 10. First, you have to click on this Windows icon, then click on Settings option. Now in the search box, just type Troubleshoot. Now click on it. After that, click on Additional Troubleshooters. Now, this will show you all the options. So, if you're getting issue with your printer or with your audio system or issue with your Bluetooth, just open the troubleshooter and after that click on it, then click on Run the Troubleshooter. So this will try to identify the problem and try to resolve it as well. Now move on to the next feature you can use. So in Windows 10, you'll get a pre-loaded malicious software removal tool. I will show you how to use that tool. So right-click on Windows icon, then click on this Run option. Now here you have to type MRT, then click on OK, and after it will take 5 to 10 seconds. Now here is the tool, Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool. So this tool will help you to scan your PC, and this will automatically remove all kind of malicious software from your system. Now move on to our next feature. You can use Storage Sense. I will show you how to use Storage Sense in Windows 10. Just click on Windows icon and then go to Settings. Here you can click on System and then go to Storage. Here you will get Storage Sense option. You can enable this option. So this will automatically free up space and delete all the temporary and unnecessary file from your computer. So can enable it from here. So this is the 3 useful tips and tricks you can use in Windows 10. So it's all for today. So if you have any questions or query, let me know in a comment section. Have a great day.